World champion 2025. No, not quite.
But I put Ferrari world champion. I think I got that one wrong.
Biggest goal of 2025 was to win a race. Didn't do that.
Biggest goal to win the championship. Failed at that one.
To stand up for myself, to enjoy my life and do more for others. Ah, that is so cute. Cringe.
Ferrari to win the constructors, which unfortunately didn't happen.
To be happy,
That's it.
accomplish.
Aston Martin will kick some ass.
Winning a race. The VCAB hasn't won a race either.
3 words that would describe a 2025 season. I mean, that was boring. I wrote this.
Scoring as many points for Alpine. Well, I've scored 100 points so far. 100% of the points, sorry.